Hello, in this course we are going to create an amazing t-shirt dropshipping business. I will show you how to design a shirt from scratch, and I will also put the images in the resources. Back to the dashboard. Right over here I'm gonna click on apps, and I will click on the printful application. I'm gonna show you step by step how to get that, so don't worry. And right over here I'm gonna click on products, and I will click on the red button where it states add product. Okay, I click on it and you can choose different kind of shirts, but we gonna choose the default shirt. And right over here I'm gonna upload my design. So I click on design and upload file. Okay, and I will choose the skull, and then we're gonna design the shirt. Okay, and let's design a shirt. I will upload the print to the shirt and I will enlarge it a little bit. I will put also the files in the resources for all kind of shirts and all kind of designs. And yeah, this is looking pretty good. So I'll proceed to mockups. And this is how it looks in the web shop. And I will proceed. And right over here, you can enter a little description. I'm gonna enter this short skull shirt. It's really simple. It's a really simple shirt and a cool shirt, in my opinion. And here you can enter the profit, how much profit you want to have. For example, 10 bucks. I'm gonna submit this to the store, and I will wait. Once that's done, it's in your web shop. So, okay, it's done. Okay, and back to the web shop. Right over here, you can, we're gonna view the shirt. And right over here, I'm gonna click on quick view. And I'll wait, and wait. And right over here, you see the shirt. It's looking great in my opinion. It's looking really professional for your shirt. I will also put much images in the resources. And I will provide you a site with the best images, so you can use them for your shirt or shirts. So that's great. So I hope you'll enroll this course, and I hope I will see you soon. Here I'm gonna enter my email address. You can enter a fake email if you want, but you must remember the password. So yeah, for Udemy project .hotmail.com, blah blah blah. And right over here you enter your real password and your store name. This is not a good store name. It's already in use. So more people are doing this tutorial. Just joking, sorry. Okay, and you will continue. Sit tight, we are creating your store. Okay, success, your store is ready to go. You can enter here some information about your store. You don't have to tell the truth about your location and all that kind of stuff, because they maybe sell your data. You never know. I'm not gonna say they do that, but you never know. So I'm gonna enter here my address and my apartment suite. There's nowhere. And here your zip code and my phone number. Don't call me. Okay, and here I'm gonna enter my course site. So I'm gonna click on enter store. Okay, right over here, we are in our Shopify dashboard. Congratulations! Here you got a lot of applications that we can use for the course, but we don't gonna do that in this course. We only gonna use Printify, the dropshipping application. And right over here are a lot of things to add to your store. Just take a look if you want, but in this course we are creating this in this tutorial. So I'm gonna click on the plus button on online store, the first one, and then I will wait. Okay, your store is probably protected with a password, but I'm gonna show you the store right now. It totally looks disappointed and ugly. So I'm going to click on customize. And I'll wait. And right over here, we got our website. It's looking completely ugly in my opinion. So we're gonna change a lot of things. If you watch my tutorials before, you know that we start with a little pretty ugly website and we end up with a professional website. So yeah, you can hide all those sections and all. I'm gonna tell you more about that in the course, and you can add sections. But how that all works, I'm all gonna explain to you soon. So I wanna see you soon. Alright, in this lecture I will show you how you build a domain in Shopify. Click on add domain and add domains. Right over there, the blue button. Okay, wait. And wait. And right over here you see your current domain, and I'm gonna show you in the next lectures how you connect your existing domain. But in this case I want to show you how to buy the new domain. Alright, I'm gonna click on the buy new domain button and I will wait. And right over here you're gonna search for your domain name. So what your domain name is supposed to be. So I'm gonna enter here skatestore9.com for example, and you will click on this blue button and it will redirect you to your credit card information, and then you're done. So that was it for this lecture, so I will see you soon. Right, in this lecture I will show you how you connect your domain to your Shopify store. Click on online store and navigate to the domains button. Right over there, domains. We will wait. Okay, right over here you see your current domain. That's skatestore.shopify.com, and there you can buy a new domain by the blue button, and here connect your own domain. So I'm gonna click on that and I'm gonna connect my existing domain, and I will enter here Jared.site. It's for the course. So you enter here your domain and you hit next. Okay, right over here I'm gonna click on the blue button, on the view instructions button. It looks difficult on the first time, but it's not difficult. So I'm gonna explain to you. I will scroll down a little bit, and here is the IP of Shopify. Okay, and right over here in my cPanel, I'm gonna click on Advanced Zone Editor, and I'll wait. And right over here, I'm gonna select my primary domain where I wanna connect Shopify, your Shopify store with. I'm gonna select Jared.site, and right over here, you see a bunch of codes, so don't worry. Click on edit by your domain. This is Jared.site, and the address that we need, the Shopify IP, is right over there, right over here. So I'm gonna copy this, the IP address of Shopify, and I'm gonna paste it in. And I'm gonna click on edit record soon. Okay, that's done. And now the second step, click on edit, click on CNAME, and connect here your shops.myshopify.com. So it will connect to your Shopify store. So I will enter it right over here and click on edit record. Okay, and then you're done. So now we're gonna do the last step, that's connecting it. Verify connection. And I will wait. And wait. Congratulations! Okay, you successfully connected your domain to Shopify. But it can take up to 24 hours before it take effect on it. So I check it back in a couple of hours right now. It can take up to 24 hours. So I will visit my website. And I will wait. And wait. And there it is. So in the next lecture, I will explain you how you disable this password for your store, and so we can continue the course. So, okay, I will see you soon. Okay, when I click on the themes right over here, you can click here on this theme right over here, and I'm gonna click on add to theme library, and you can choose two different variations, but I'm gonna use the black and white, and I will wait until it's loaded. And right over here you see that it's adding the theme boundless, so we will wait till the process is done. It can take some time. Yep, it's added. Okay, and right over here you're gonna go to actions and publish, and you will wait a little bit, and I will publish the new theme. It's still looking empty, but we're gonna change that soon in the next lecture, so don't worry. Okay, I will click on visit site, and as you can see, this is our theme right now. It's looking better than first. So here are the collections and your products, and here is the slide. Okay, so yeah, it was probably for this. Okay, this is our site right now. Alright, today we're gonna set up the slider images for our website. So I navigate to the themes tab, and I will click on the customize button, the blue button, and I will wait till it's loaded. It can take a while, and before our theme is loaded, so I will wait. And right over here, as you can see, okay, this is our website right now. It's still looking pretty empty, but we're gonna add some slides to make it look better. So I'm gonna click on the slideshow tab, and right over here you can make it bigger or smaller, and right over here you can choose your image. So you can choose from a large category of images. So I'm gonna choose this one. I'll put the files in the resources, so you can use the same images like me. So I'm gonna use this one, this slide, and it will appear right now. Okay, this is the front page. It's looking pretty awesome in my opinion. If you don't like it, you can choose another image. You have a huge and for the woman category, I got another image. I'm gonna click on the slideshow again, and right over here you can see add new image, add image, and I'm gonna click on that, and I'm gonna click on settings, select image, sorry, and right over here you can see that I have the image already uploaded. So I'm gonna click select. Okay, that's looking really professional for your website. So you can choose between those different images. You have many variations of images. I will show you that soon, how different images can make a huge impact on your website. So I'm gonna call this new woman collection, and right over there you can enter the text. Okay, save, and I go back, and yeah, so yeah, this was how you add slides to your website, to this theme. And back to the dashboard. Yeah, you're gonna visit the website again to take a quick look how it looks. Okay, we will wait. Okay, it's looking pretty awesome in my opinion. I don't know if you like it, but yeah, I like it. It's a fresh, clean and modern website with a lot of variations. So you can do a lot of stuff with this website. We're gonna create some sections in the next lectures and some menus. Okay. Alright, today I'm going to show you how you create some collections for your pages. So we need those for our menus. So I'm going to navigate to collections, to products and collections. And right over here, I'm going to click on the blue create collection button. And if you don't understand why we are doing this to bind the collection with the page. So I'm going to click on manual, and right over here, I'm going to enter here men's shirts. And I'm gonna save this, and once it's saved, I'm gonna create another collection called I'm gonna click on collections, navigate to collections, and right over here I'm gonna click on the blue button, create collection, and right over here I'm gonna select manual, and I'm gonna enter woman shirts. And I'm gonna click on the blue save button, and I will wait, and I will go home. Okay, and now I'm gonna create pages and menus for our store. So I go to the navigation tab, and I will click on it, and I will wait. And right over here, you can see our main menu. So I'm going to click on that. And I'll wait. You see here the main menus that we got. And I'm going to add a new menu. And I'm going to call it, now we're going to bind the collections to our page. So the right collection appears on the right page. So I'm going to select collections. And I'm going to select men's shirts. That was the collection. So the men's shirt collection appears on the men's shirt page. And right over here, I'm going to add another menu. And I'm going to call this woman shirts. And I will link it to the collection of woman shirts. So right over here. And I will click on add. And I will wait. Okay. And I'm going to trash this catalog right over here. Don't worry, if you don't see the results, I will show it you soon. I will hit the save button, and I'm gonna go to my website, and I'm gonna visit my website to take a look how it looks. You want to see the results. Okay, it's loading. A little bit slowly, sorry. Okay, there it is. Okay, here are your menus right now. Your pages, or menus, it's the same. So, okay, and here is the page. It's probably empty, but we're gonna fill it with shirts. And the woman tab is also empty. But don't worry, we're gonna create their good stuff in it. Okay, and right over here, as you can see, and on the left, we got a menu. Okay, I will see you soon. Alright, today we're gonna install the Printful application. I'm gonna click on the App Store, and I'm gonna visit the App Store, and I will wait. And right over here, I'm gonna enter the name of the application. It's called Printful, so I'm gonna search for this, Printful, and I will wait. And right over here, you see that it got many ratings, and it's really good rated, highly rated, so I highly recommend to use Printful. It's the best t-shirt drop shipping application on the web, in my opinion. So you can watch the video if you want. And I'm gonna click on add application, and I will wait. And right over here, I'm gonna wait. And wait. Okay, they will have access to your store, but why? They will have access because when a customer places an order, they must know that the customer placed an order, so they can ship them to the customer. So okay, right over here, I'm gonna create an account. I'm gonna enter my full name, that's Jared Field, and I'm gonna enter my password, and I'm gonna agree to the terms of service, and I will sign up. Oh, password is too weak. Okay, then we choose something different, something difficult. Okay, yeah. And I will click sign up. Okay, I will click on connect my shop. And I will accept all the cookies. So, okay, it's nearly done. And right over here, you will see the Printful application. And in the next video, we are going to add a product to our store. Hello people, in this lecture I will show you how you get prints for your shirts. Right over here is the t-shirt. I'm gonna click on it because this is a new feature on canva.com. So I will put the link in the resources or description. And right over here you can choose designs for your shirts. So that's great. So we can design a shirt for free and you can sell it with profit. So that's a great opportunity. I'm gonna choose this one for example. And as you can see, you can download it right over there for free. Click on download and click on GPG and it will download my design. Okay, I'm gonna save this to my computer and voila, there it is. So I have it now on my computer and I have a few other designs from other sites, but I'm gonna use them. So okay, and right over here, as you can see, you can edit this easily. So okay, yeah. Okay, so in the next video, I will show you how you upload designs into your shirts. So that's great. Okay, I'm gonna navigate to the application tab. In this session, we are going to create a shirt with Printful and we upload the print. So I navigate to the Printful application and right over here, I'm gonna click on products. And you see the red button right over there. Navigate to that and click on it. Add product, and you got a lot of variations to choose from. You can create sweaters, t-shirts, bags, but we gonna create a shirt. So okay, and right over here I'm gonna choose this shirt. Okay, and as you can see, I can drag and drop a design. I'm gonna navigate to the design tab and I click on upload file. I'm gonna choose this item, this skull right over here. I'm gonna click on upload to upload it. Okay, I'm gonna use that skull. Okay, that's looking awesome. Let's crop it a little bit. Let's resize it. Okay, you don't see that it's a print. That's awesome. Okay. And yeah, right over here, I'm gonna click on proceed. All right, and I will click proceed to description right over there. And I will wait. And here you can enter the name of the description, the name of the shirt, call it whatever you want. And right over here, I'm gonna click proceed to pricing. Enter here the profit that you want to keep for each shirt. For example, $10 or $10. And I'm gonna click on submit to store. And I'll wait until the process is loaded. Be patient, thanks. Okay, there it is. Okay, and now I'm gonna click on the product tab. And you will see that it successfully imported. Okay, right over here, and I'll wait, and I'm gonna select the two collections, the homepage collection and the shirts collection that we just created. So this will link it to the pages, to the homepage and to the men's shirts page. So let's take a look how it looks. Just reload our website. Okay, there it is. That's looking great. That's looking really professional for your shop. Okay. Okay, right over here, we're gonna navigate to the blue I button, and we are going to change the space between the products. So I will click on this blue I button, and I will wait. And it's loaded. Okay, that's looking great. Now you see that the items are too close together. And we're gonna separate them with a little bit space between those items. And I exactly gonna show you how to do that step by step. So I want you to navigate to the blue customize button. And once you are there, I'll wait. Okay, it's loaded. And you see that it's still together. So we're gonna change that for every page. I will click on the home page item, and right over here I will click on enable image spacing. This will separate them a little bit, like this. Okay, that's looking great. We need to do this for every page. So don't change the collection on this page. It was really confusing for me in the beginning, but you will get it. So right over here, I'm gonna hit save. It's super easy, don't worry. Don't change it right over here, but you must change it right over there. You must click on the tab on the page, and then you can change the separated items so they separate from each other. And I will wait until the bar is loaded. And the site is still loading. And by men's shirt, it's still not separated. So the home page is now separated, but this collection, this page, not. And when you check the box, it will be. So this is great. It's looking great. And right over here, I'm gonna hit save. And now we go to the women's shirts. And we will do exactly the same thing like before. So it's important that you click on the pages, otherwise it won't save. So it's a really important step. Don't forget to click on the pages. This was already separated. I did it by myself a few minutes ago, and you can see it right over here. You can check this box, and if you check this box, it will separate them from each other. So okay, that's looking great. It's looking really professional for your t-shirt dropshipping store, and we're gonna, yeah, I hope you like it, and I think I will see you in the next video. Okay. In this lecture, I will show you how you install quick view buttons for your projects. Don't worry if you don't know what I mean, I'm all gonna explain to you soon, and we are going to make amazing buttons. So okay, I'm gonna search here for product quick view. I will type it in, product quick view, and I will hit the enter button, and I will wait. And once I'm there, I'm gonna navigate to this green button, the quick view and tracking app, and I'm gonna click on it. It's totally free, it's lifetime for free, so don't worry, you don't have to buy something or something else. So I'm gonna click on the blue add app button right over there, and I will click on it. And I will wait until it's loaded. Okay, they will access my store. So I will install the application. And I will wait again and again. Okay, and now it's downloading and installing my application. I'm so excited to show it to you. Go to your app manager, and right over here you have the quick shop, the settings. Those are the most viewed products. You can see that, how many people viewed them or previewed them. And right over here, when I navigate to the settings tab, you can enter some settings. So we're gonna go to the settings tab. Now we're gonna go to the website, and right over here you see that it's pretty empty. But when you refresh the page, you will see that it has quick view buttons right over here. Still not? Okay, yeah, right over there. But you don't see it directly, so we're gonna change that. Yeah? Okay. This will pop up with quick view. And we go back to the settings, and we are going to the, and we're going to go to the general. And right over here, I'm gonna click that I want to pop up on the bottom, and don't want to hover it. I want to show it always. And yeah, okay. And that's it. I hit save. And I go back to the settings. And right over here, I'm gonna click on the pop-up. And you can enter here some text images, catalog mode. Okay. And we will save. Okay, let's have a fresh look at our website. I'm really excited to show it you because it's excited. And I'm going now to the website, and I will refresh, and you will see what the difference between those buttons and products. Okay, right over here, a quick view button. That's really good. So we have quick view installed. Okay, and when you click on the shirt itself, you can take a closer look at the shirt. So that's great. So you will see the larger shirt and the other products on the bottom. So that was it for this video. Okay, and back to the homepage, and I will see you in my next video. I'll talk a little bit about the Shopify security system. It's a really good and secure system because you get a free socket, security socket by your package. That's right over here on the top. When you click on this locket, it's a secure connection, and that's called a security socket. And Shopify is $1 million company, so you can trust their security systems. Your site is also secured by professionals actually, because the professionals that they hire for their security must be very good. So that will save you a lot of money to spend on security professionals because they are really expensive to hire, and now you don't need them. So yeah, that's the reason I will highly recommend Shopify for your web shop. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Thanks.